Hey everybody, this is Tom from Small Scale Gardening. I'm out here in central Minnesota today, and I'm just shocked at the farm fields that I'm seeing. I mean, this is corn, and it's June 24th right now. Usually we say it's knee-high by the 4th of July. With the new hybrids, the corn is usually up to your chest at this time of year, but this, mud. This isn't even up to my boot, the top of my boot. So we've had a lot of rain up in the upper Midwest, not just in Minnesota, but in other parts of the country. I mean, Nebraska, all underwater. How much livestock was lost? How much crops? How many farms went underwater? All over the country, all over the Midwest, this is the condition. Farmers couldn't get in. They're probably 4 to 6 weeks behind, I'm hearing, in Illinois. And that's the breadbasket there. These are breadbasket parts of the country. I mean, look at the rich soil here. Look at this. But look at over there. We've got this big dead spot. Nothing grew over there. There's probably standing water. It's right at the bottom of that hole over there. And I've seen other, now don't get me wrong, this is generalization. I have seen some other farms that look better. The corn looks higher. But this is all over. I mean, the beans are about this tall, if not smaller, and there's just dead spots everywhere, or just spots that are open. I'll have some pictures from other spots on the back of this video, but like it or not, folks, higher prices are coming. Higher food prices. I mean, this is corn, right? Corn fructose syrup is in everything. So if we're not going to get a good corn crop this year, we're going to have prices spiraling upward. Supply meets demand. And it's all over. It's beans, it's corn, it's other farms. So this is just an example. So I recommend you go out now. Prices are cheap. And it sounds like a prepper, but just be smart, right? Go out, get some stuff, get some of those, get the veggies, and get the foods that are cheap right now. Stock up a little bit. It's okay to do that. Not that you're some doomsday prepper. You're just being smart. Just being smart with your limited resources, your time and your money. So go out, get a few things, stock up a little bit, and if you haven't grown anything, maybe now's a good time. I mean, you're not gonna just start immediately and grow. I mean, it's June 20th, right? But you can pick up some good seedlings at a nursery. You can pick up some good seedlings even at the big box stores. Make sure they don't have blight. And you can plant. And I'll show you how to do it. Just plant something. Get in the swing of things. Start planting now. They always say the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is now. So I'll show you how to do it. And I'll show you how to hedge your bets a little bit against what's coming. These higher prices, and it's going to be an interesting year. And this is just the veggies. What about meat prices, right? Feed is going to go up. Everything's going up. So it's a good way to hedge your bets. We'll teach you how to do it. I've got friends that know how to can and preserve food. We're going to talk to those folks. Small scale gardening, folks. This is where it's at. We can do some things, right? Build those skills, start to learn, do, and grow, like I've said on smallscalelife.com. And I'll say that here on Small Scale Gardening. Learn, do, and grow. Get those skills and start your journey to growing stuff and learning those skills today. I'll show you how to do it. So this is Tom from Small Scale Gardening. Just thought I would show you a field. Man, it just was shocking to me when I pulled up to it. But I'll have some pictures on the back end of this. And, I've got some work to do. I've got to put some things together to show you how to do this. And that's my mission, is to show you, to teach you how to grow your own food. And, at least if you're not knocking a few things off the grocery list, at least you're supplementing it, right? With stuff where it came from. What you put on it. It's not infected with E. coli. So, anyway, I get a little revved up about this kind of stuff, but prepare accordingly. This is Tom from Small Scale Gardening. Remember to learn, do, and grow. We'll catch you soon. Stay tuned. I'll show you a few pictures from some other pieces of farmland. All right, all. Take care, and we'll talk to you real soon.